Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Audi Q7 Key. Find the tiny release latch on the side of the fob and press it gently while sliding the metal key out. If it feels stuck, wiggle with steady pressure and avoid forcing to prevent breakage. Keep the key and fob dry and clean before reinserting. I will guide you step by step so you can open the key with confidence. Start by holding the fob so the buttons face away from you and press the small release latch with your thumb. While holding the latch, slide the metal key straight out using steady pressure, not speed. If resistance persists, clean the slot gently with a soft brush and try again. Avoid inserting tools that could bend the key or damage the mechanism. These simple steps will keep your Q7 key working reliably. If the latch sticks, apply a tiny dab of silicone lubricant and work the key gently until it moves smoothly. For bent or worn blades, a dealer or qualified locksmith can cut and program a replacement to avoid lockout. Never try to pry the fob open with sharp tools, as that can ruin the casing or electronics. Regular gentle maintenance will reduce surprises and keep your Q7 key ready when you need it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.